Good morning. Welcome back to the course. I hope you had a nice Easter break and I hope everyone is doing okay. So today's worksheets include a couple of new steps, new material that we haven't looked at yet. So I'm hoping, along with the worksheets, that this little video will help you to complete the worksheets on your own. Okay, so the first thing we are going to look at this morning is how to insert a header or footer to your document, and also how to insert a page break. Okay, so as you can all see, at the moment I am in the Home tab. Okay, so to insert a header, I need to click on the Insert tab. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert. Okay, if we come all the way over here to the header and footer area, you can see you can insert a header. So if I hover, it just tells you it gives you a definition or an explanation of what a header is. Also the same with the footer, if you wanted to add a page number. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to show you there are two ways that you can insert a header to your document. You can do it as I've done here by clicking on the Insert tab and clicking on Header. So I'll go ahead and click on Header. And as you can see, there are different types of headers that you can insert. There's also more headers if you wanted to look through from Office here. But for the moment, I'm just going to select this blank header here. Okay, that's one way to insert a header into your document. The second way is quicker and easier, but I want you to be aware that there are two ways to do it. So I'm going to close this. Okay, you can also open a header in your document by double clicking at the top of your page. So now the header reopens. Okay, so I hope that's clear. If not, you can let me know. I'm going to take out this text here just by hitting my delete key. And I now want to return to the Home tab. I'm going to right align my cursor because I want the text to appear on the right hand side of my document. So I'm going to type my name and today's date. Okay, to close or to come out of working in the header area, you come down to the page itself outside of the header area and double click, and that will close your header. So if I wanted to type any more information inside the header, this is where I need to stay. If I'm finished and I don't have anything else to type in the header area, you come down to a new part of your page and just double click to close the header. Okay, so now you can see, as I've explained in the worksheet, that the text that is in your header area is slightly grayed out, and you can't alter it or change it unless you double click inside it to again reopen your header. I'm going to come up here and just close the header from here this time. Okay, so I want to show you now how to insert a page break. This will demonstrate how the header will carry on to all of the pages in your document. And also it just means that if you are typing a page where you only want an introduction or a short piece of text to appear, that you can skip directly to your next page to begin typing again without having to hit the Enter key multiple times. Okay. So I'm just going to type one short sentence, after which I'm going to insert a page break and therefore move to the next page of my document. Okay, so a simple sentence. Today is Monday. Okay, so after this sentence, this is where I would like my page break to appear. So to do that, I need to go back up to my Insert tab, click on the Insert tab. To the left-hand side here, you will see page break. So again, if I hover, This will give me a slight explanation as to what this will do for me. End the current page here and move to the next page. If you'd like more information, you can always click on the Tell Me More section. Okay, and this will load up some instructions for you here. So as you can see, put your cursor where you want one page to end and the next to begin. Go to Insert Page Break and click on Insert Page Break. A short little video here will also help. Okay, so I'm going to close that. So remember, if there's something that you hover on, you get a short definition. If you're still not certain, come down to the Tell Me More section and it should give you a further detailed explanation in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Page Break. So now you can see my document is now a 2-page document, page 2 of 2, and my header continues on to my second page. So I'll just scroll up to show you. Okay, so there's my page 1 with my header information, the sentence that I typed. I inserted my page break, so now my document has a second page to it. If I click on Insert Page Break again, you'll now see that my document has 3 pages, 3 of 3. So I could continue on, and each time this information will appear on every page of my document. This is convenient for things like a reference area, if you wanted to put your name on every page, if you wanted a page number on every page, if there was some piece of information that you wanted to have appear on every page, this is a good way to do that. Okay, so that's how to add header or footer. Footer works in exactly the same way. It just means that the information will appear at the bottom of your page. Okay, so I will go ahead on back to page 1 and we'll insert a footer this time. And again, we'll just click on blank footer. Okay, so I'll delete to remove this text. And in here, I'm just going to type page 1. Okay, and I will close my footer. Okay, so you now will see that my page 1 of my document has my footer, my header, and my footer on it. So each page now has the same header and the same footer. Same header and the same footer.